The company was founded in 2023. That same year we started working on the website. First, of course, we identified the target audience. We adapted it to the needs of small and medium-sized businesses. The main function of the site was, create a space that, where, online may not be shared, but simply by selling licenses, in the form of an electronic license for a period of 5 years. The goal was to make the license to sell products more open and accessible, even for small insolvent companies. To achieve competition, as a result, there is a variety of products on the market. After much deliberation, we decided to combine the CNC router software files and the 5-year simple non-generic license into one package. If you see a similar offer elsewhere, don't ignore it. It's in your best interest. If you are a small company or startup, this video is for you, because, with our proposed approach, it is already possible, even for small companies, entered into competition with large companies in the region at least. Where do they live, or engage in business activities, logistics, customs? And this is possible due to the corresponding low tax to the budget for a small entrepreneur. Maybe, make your product available to more consumers and create a completely new consumer segment in the market, maintaining market position. Otherwise, competition is unthinkable without constant changes and improvements. This is an unattainable process for a manufacturer without access to innovation. Previously, this was only available to large and influential companies. We made all this possible thanks to our website. From a marketing point of view, producing only one product is unprofitable and, moreover, unjustified for the manufacturer. That's why CNC offers several machine software files along with a license in a package for $4,500. At this stage, the selected designs are posted on the website, the production of which does not require an expensive production line service with multi-professional staff, which in itself will make your startup easier. We are mainly talking about children's modular furniture, children's furniture market, always up to date, because this is necessary and useful only until adulthood. It then becomes useless and is thrown away, which leads to an increase in demand for this product in the market. Let's add modularity, i.e. multifunctionality, at least 2 functions from the buyer's point of view. Instead of 2 things, he has 1 thing at home. When purchasing, depending on versatility, buys several items together for the price of 1. We offer the following designs: folding bunk bed, Swedish wall and desk together. 3 items in 1 item, teenager's desk with chair, with shelves, and boxes. When folded, the chair can combine the function of a shelf. In this state, the width of the table is 40 centimeters, 80 after opening. Crib, baby food chair with table, with guide and pump. When the pump is removed, it turns into a crib for the baby. All holes or grooves for self-tapping screws are marked on the drawings. And clear and simple instructions are also included. Assembling furniture at home is also possible and does not require special knowledge in this regard. When registering on the site, only official company data is filled in. When purchasing a product, the date of purchase is recorded automatically, and it is from this date that the 5-year license period begins to count. This is an electronic contract between you and us. Proof of this, that you actually hold the license for a certain period of time, it is included in the site's electronic database, which base is always open 24/7, for those who want to check it out, since we are not releasing general ones, but only simple licenses. The database will also help you compare competitors by region and even country. This is important for your startup, licensee, those wishing to purchase a license. Agree to the terms of the site, register on the site, selects the type of operation, pays the amount is instantly reflected in our account, after which all software files are available to the buyer for download. The site also cooperates with referrals. Direction 2, register on the site, after which a unique code is assigned, reveals the code to any potential buyer. using this code, the buyer, licensee, buys our products at 10% cheaper, 10% of the final payment is credited to the intermediary or referral, to the bank account specified in your profile during registration. The site administration also allows other inventors to post patents for their inventions on PatentMarket Biz. To do this, you must carefully read the conditions for inventors. Unlike the licensee and referral, a patent cannot be published online. And this happens only on the basis of an agreement with the site administration. The inventor registers on the site only to facilitate further interaction. You can see all this in more detail in the video instructions.